Hello friends, good morning all of you, and let's start today. I think that as far as link is concerned, that earlier link, first link was not the right link to join this lecture. Okay, so second which I put in this group, accordingly you just try to join. Don't go for the first link. Okay, or tell the same to other people also who are not able to get that link. All right. So before starting, let me see that very few students are connected. Only 25 students are right now connected. But let it be. And again, another question might be that a slight change of our lecture also. Usually we people have lecture at 11 o'clock. But due to some adjustment, we have changed it at 10. At 11, your earlier lecture will be there. Like that. So let me check if you people are ready, because we do not get much time for second session. We have immediate on second day, immediate we have the lecture for CIP. So yesterday only we people have just finished a good debate based on that government job and private job. And today again we people are going to have such kind of things. But depending upon the preparation, we can decide whether we can go with that discussion or with something else. And other group members also, I can see here some of the people are here, but there are others, they have not joined yet. So what should we do? So should we go with for debate with the topics which have been given to you? Meanwhile, if someone is ready for individual presentation, we can go for that, so that students also may join in between, so that we can go for debate. So let me know what you people want right now. Should we go with this, or should we just go for presentations, debate, or maybe we can take one quiz also. So depending upon your preparation, if you are prepared with topics which I have given yesterday, 5 topics I have displayed you. So out of that, we people can choose one and we can go with that. If not, I think that the students should be ready with individual presentations. And if anyone is ready, first of all, we will take presentations and then we will go for debate. We can do this also.
सर आज प्रिपेअर नाही केलं, नेक्स्ट लेक्चरला डिबेट.
Okay, fine. So let me know then, anybody is ready with individual presentation like that. Yesterday we people have listened Mayuri, and we people have listened Sanyosh, we people listen other people who are coming with different topics also. Okay, I think that individual presentations are also not prepared. In that case, what should we do today then?
क्विज घ्या.
All right, so you just stay connected. I will get you one quiz. Let me know, have you done one quiz on group discussion or not yet earlier? Have you finished a quiz on group discussion? Or you don't remember what quiz we people have done earlier so far? Okay, let it be. So I will give one quiz. That quiz is based on group discussion, okay? And based on current topic, you people try to just, based on your understanding, okay? So you people try to solve that quiz. And today we people will have only quiz. We will not have any kind of discussion. Maybe on next Monday, we people will do for that kind of discussion. Meanwhile, all of you just ensure that you are going to prepare thoroughly, find it out some information or different sources use, and then you just try to make your opinions, write down some pointers. Okay, so simple quiz it is, based on your preparation and your understanding, on your maybe perception. You just try to answer those questions, and if there is any confusion about, let's say, any question, you can take one screenshot of that and we'll discuss it in next session. Okay, before going ahead, we'll take attendance so that it will be easier. If anybody completes the quiz, then he or she can leave the meeting also, there is no issue. So okay, background noise is there, just 1 minute. So attendance first I will mark, and then I will paste the link. Okay, so 136, then 8, 9, 11, and 14, 15, 16, then 18, 19, 20, 22, 23, 25, then 30, 36, 38, 41, 42, 43, 46, 47, 48, 50, 53, 55, 58, 61, 63, 64, 65, 67, 70. All right, so those are present numbers. Okay, 21 and 22, I'll mark your attendance. Fine. Fine. So all of you just ensure that you are going to get link. That link is into chat box. I have pasted. You can keep that link copied also. If it requires again, you can use it. So click on the link and join the quiz immediately. Right now it is 14. I will wait for 2 minutes. At 10:16, I will start the quiz sharp. Yuvraj has joined. Others do it fast. Any difficulty, then let me know. Saili joined. Shweta also joined. Sayush joined. Om, Pranali, Anurag, Chaitrali, Sunny, Rutuja, Mayuri, Vishal. Others do it fast. Atharv, Akshay, Snehal, Rohini, Vikram. 17 people joined. Pragati, Reshma, Mansi, Pooja, they have joined. Adesh, Pooja. Is that Sansiana? Sunsiana? Mansi again. Sunaina? Is it Sunaina? I think that Sunaina is there. Okay, Vivek. See, I can see here many students are in Zoom meeting, but once again I paste the link. If you are not having the link, once again I will paste the same link is there. Okay. So right now 35 students are connected with Zoom, and here only 29. So remaining 5-6 students, do it fast. All right, now I'm going to start the quiz. All of you just ensure that you're going to solve all the questions, okay? And try to maintain accuracy level. Think about, read the questions, think of the all options, and then think about the correct answer. And accordingly, you people have to just click the answer. I expect that all should get maximum correct answers. All right. Meanwhile, I will share with you dashboard also, so people can keep track who is on top and who is doing things. So quiz started. All of you ensure that you're going to attempt it. So Pranali, Sayush, Mayuri, Rohini, Rushikesh, first five. Those for not having link, they can ask me. I think that I have tested it twice, but if still, if anybody is not having link, you just ask me for the link.